proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this tutorial, I'll be explaining how to bypass factory reset protection or FRP on a Spreadtrum manual device using NCK box. You need to have the hardware box and have installed the dongle. You also need to have installed Spreadtrum USB drivers. Now I'm waiting for the dashboard to come up. I've launched it. Now once it comes up, you come under the flash mode utils. Under models, you select based on your model. If you can't find yours, just select generic CPU. Now you select the device's chipset. Under job, you select remove FRP, and now you click do job. Now you power up the device, still with battery in, then you hold the volume down button, then connect to PC via USB cord. For some SPD devices, it's the volume up button, so ensure to try both. Now the device should get detected and FRP removal should commence. Now you should get a done message. So that's how to bypass FRP on an SPD device using NCK box model.